back to my channel. Yeah, it's been a while I vlogged. I mean, I've been in my family house, and if it's echoing, please ignore it. I'm on the stairs. Okay, today is Sunday. We're preparing to go to church. In fact, we're just about leaving. I just thought to do this quick intro to this new vlog. Yes, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Yes, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Okay. Yeah, so I want to try and do like a week in my life in this house, in my family house. Yeah, something like that. So I decided to start up this vlog on a Sunday and probably end it on Saturday. Yeah, something like that. If you've not seen my previous vlog, I'm going to leave it linked in the description box. Please go and catch up on it. Very interesting one. Yeah, so we're on our way to church now. I'll see you guys later. So that you like to tell us. Come on, raise up your heads. Let me see your face. Even the people that are eating rice. To the foodie house of commotion.
No, please don't.
I'm not editing this part, you see.
Mama.
And we had everything. Let's go back from church. Tired. Thought it took a very long time. It's I think it's about, it's almost 2 o'clock now if I'm not mistaken. It's time to go and look for what to eat this afternoon. It's not so clear. Spices for banga soup. Please, I don't know the names of all these things, but yeah, we're sure cooking banga soup, and these are the spices we're using. And pepper, ginger, and cool. Yeah. Banga is doing very well. As you can see, everywhere joke. Banga is ready with all the obstructions, fish, mama, everything is inside. Yes, mommy is serving it as it's hot. As it hot. Chop this one now, you just sweat well. Go sleep. Go bath sleep. This banga is yummy. I used to throw eba in the air. Let me see if I can do it. Ha! What's it Yoruba? Let me see if I can do it. Epic fail. This one I hope is not too big. Let me cut it. Because the weight of the eba too matters. I tried. Not make noise. Wait, just to make noise. Correct. Correct.
Yeah, person.
Yeah, okay, I don't feel
So you are
it.
doing it back of she's doing it at the back of camera.
She should not film me. She should be filming herself. She
No,
wants
I
to
feel
film.
myself.
I'm finishing the fish.
If I finish it over, me the one you eat. How will you finish the fish? Correct.
If we're not fat now, I can say body is gonna go.
Hi guys, how you all doing? Today is Tuesday. I started this vlog on Sunday. I was hoping I would be able to vlog every day, but I mean, as it's going, man, sometimes you finish doing some stuff before you remember that you're supposed to vlog. But it's all good. Today I did some cleaning, cleaned my parents' room, did some cooking. I will still do some cooking later because it's almost noon. I'm not sure if it's noon yet. It's almost noon, so cooking continues. Yeah, so that's how my today, being Tuesday, has been going. And I want to try and film 2 videos right now. Fingers crossed. I hope I'll be able to film these 2 videos. Like, they are long overdue. Really, really overdue. So I'll catch you guys later. I just finished filming the videos. You can see I even I had to change my outfit because I ended up filming 3 videos. Yay! I ended up filming 3 videos, so watch out for the videos, guys. Okay, I just want to try and clear up what I have here, and then I'll head downstairs to see what is going on. My mom ended up fixing our dinner. I'll be second meal for the day. I don't know whether to call it dinner or lunch. Guys, please. The meal in between breakfast and lunch is called brunch, right? So what do you call the meal in between lunch and dinner? If you have an idea, let me know in the comment section because I don't know what it's called. Filming videos is not easy. Between filming and editing, I think I'll choose editing over filming. I even enjoy editing more than the filming because the filming, you need to know what you're filming. Sometimes rehearse it. But for me, rehearse I know the work. I rehearse what I want to say, and at the end of the day, I say nothing close to it. I used to write out the content before, but now there's no need. I just pick the point, and then however it comes, I'll just say it like that. Yeah, so it's not easy. It's not easy at all. Let me clear all these makeup stuffs that I kept here because I'm going down now to go and eat. So there's no need to do fine gear. I forgot I'm supposed to film a TikTok video. I'll quickly do that and then clean up this makeup and then head downstairs. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Let me quickly film the TikTok video. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, good morning. It's been a while I vlogged, like since my last vlog, I think some few days later, almost a week, I guess. I will be alright. I'm trying to have brunch and let me show you guys. So this is what I'm having this morning: a cup of tea with bread and one boiled egg. Who else enjoys bread being fried? I think that's the only way I love eating my bread, either fried or toasted. Yeah, see, I actually fried this one in a pan. I like it when my bread is strong and I don't know how to explain it, but when the bread is fresh like that, I really do enjoy it. If you're like me, please leave a comment below. And also, spot my egg. They've nicknamed me in this house Egg Eater, as in boiled egg eater. I think that's one of my favorite things. Like, I don't know, once I see egg like this, I just want to boil and eat. God deliver me, amen. I want to make ishwa soup. That's another soup that we eat in our place. I think I've posted a POCHO video, so maybe I will do a video for this soup as well. It's basically the same thing as egusi soup. So just imagine making egusi soup, but you substitute it with ishwa. Ishwa in English is what's this thing called? Benny seed. Yes. So just substitute Benny seed with egusi soup. I also have an egusi soup recipe I dropped on my channel. Please watch. Yeah, watch. Okay guys, this is the Benny seed soup. Please watch my egusi soup recipe. The boiling method is the same method as this Benny seed, so it's the same thing that I did here. Yeah, and this is the protein that we'll be using for the soup. It's being parboiled, and put all the good things in it, parboil it, and then as usual we'll also use pepper, locust beans, and gbaye, which is a local spice. Yes guys, this is the Benny seed. This is the raw one. We either make this, fry this with granite and eat it as a snack, or we make it into soup. I mean, it's more hygienic than eating egusi soup, and it doesn't require as much oil as egusi soup will require, because this one already has its own natural oil in it. Yeah, so it's a very, very healthy soup. So in this pot we've combined everything, the Benny seed together with the protein, that's the chicken, and then the pepper mix and all of that. So the soup is ready. We also poured in some scent leaf in it. Yeah, vegetable to just spice it up. Yeah, so the soup is ready, and this is what we call kiesha shua in Tiv language. That is Benny seed with chicken. Yes, it's a delicacy. Yeah, I have a new look. I braided my hair for the first time in forever. It's up to, I think it's 4 years now. Yes, 4 years actually. Since I cut my hair 4 years ago, I have not braided, I've not attached anything to my hair. I used darling natural twist. Yes, I used darling natural twist to make my hair the 20 inches. Let me know if you love my hairstyle, my new look in 4 years. Hi guys, how you doing? Today is Monday, and I go back to my place today. Yeah, I'm so tired. I've been cleaning my room. Yeah, obviously it was a mess when I got back. Yeah, that's why I'm sounding like this. I was editing this vlog and I remembered I had not done an outro. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're a new subscriber. You're welcome. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.